didn't get you.
I think I had some of that salt water in my eye.
I brought eye drops if you need any. Hello. Hello. So we're on Locrum Island. Today we're doing our boat tour all day. So we're 3 hours on this island. We took a golf cart to the backside to go to this cool beach. And we're visiting 2 other islands today. But it's been fun. Yesterday we did a bunch of touristy stuff. We walked the walls, visited some museums, visited the fort. Got really tired of walking. But it's been nice. Today's our last full day and we leave tomorrow to take a ferry to Var Island for another day.
So I poured in some water on the concrete and gave him like a champagne.
This kind of looks like the island in Sicily, just with red roofs.
What island? Oh, you're talking about Pavignana?
The second one we went to.
Everywhere.
They were born in this town, I guess. Pretty good. Tastes like coffee.